In my last video, I created a unique cat house for my daughter. This is part 2, where I create a scratching post and a perch. The scratching post starts with this old cardboard tube that I got from ordering some metal online. The cardboard is surprisingly durable. Here I'm cutting it square. Now I'm marking the tube to length and cutting it as square as I possibly can, freehand. And then finishing up that edge with my disc sander. And you can see I've got it perpendicular to the ground there. I ordered some rope online, some natural sisal rope. And I thought that 65 feet would be plenty to cover this tube, and it's not even close. There's over 100 feet of sisal rope to wrap around this, I believe it's 4-inch diameter tube. Alright, the perch consists of a base, which is a double layer of 12mm plywood, and it has the same shape on the top and the bottom. You'll see that in a minute. But I'll need a way to attach the base to the tube. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting out different disc sizes, one small, one large. The small ones will be glued together to create a bung, which is a stopper up inside that tube that I can use as a solid place to screw into. And then the larger discs will be a flange that'll be situated on top of the double layer of 12mm plywood, and there'll be plenty of screw surface to get down and bite into that base. I'm getting the bung here refined so there'll be a nice friction fit up into the tube. And then here I'm joining those two different sized discs together. Getting the radius on here, just with my jigsaw. I'll refine that edge with the disc sander. Trim it to final length. Here I'm routing a 1/4-inch roundover on the perimeter of the base and on the top. Now attaching the top and bottom onto the flange. And this next part I'm putting threaded inserts into the base so I can put in some leveling feet. But my design isn't the most stable because it's so tall. This is my kitty. And it doesn't quite fall over, but not quite safe. So what I'm gonna do is take it over to my daughter's place and figure out a way to keep it stable. I've also put the carpet on. Got those carpet remnants at Menards. Here's Toby. And because I don't know exactly where my daughter wants it in her house, I'm going to keep this as kind of a temporary solution. And I'm just attaching the house to the perch with a bit of hardwood, and then the weight of the house will keep it from at least toppling over. How does Toby like it? He likes it. If you missed part 1, go back and check that out. Thanks for your interest in my channel. Check out as many videos as you can. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.